In approximately 40% of cases, the leading cause of ladder related injuries, incidents, or accidents is a ladder sliding out at the base due to an incorrect setup angle. The other major causes might be selecting the wrong type of ladder, using worn or damaged ladder, incorrect use of ladder, or underestimating the risk of fall from a ladder. So today, in this training session, I'll discuss about the safe use of ladder, ladder specifications, recommendations, types of ladders, and many students, many health and safety professionals, they are confused whether they can use wooden ladders on site or not. I'll discuss about what the regulations guide us about the use of wooden ladders, and at the end 18 key points, golden rules for safe use of ladder. Once you will follow, there will be no chance of any incident or accident. For your kind information, standards for ladders are found in OSHA standards 29 CFR 1910.21 and 29 CFR 1926.1053 for construction. These procedures are designed to prevent the injury of personnel due to falls or slips anytime personnel are working on portable stairs, ladders, or scaffolding are at elevations more than 4 feet above the grade. Falls are the primary hazard associated with the use of ladders. Personnel must not use defective ladders with broken rails or rungs, missing hardware. Before going in depth, I would like to memorize you that you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are visiting for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and colleagues. These hazards can be minimized if workers adhere to proper ladder safety practices and if supervisors ensure equipment is used properly, regularly inspected and maintained in good condition. Tasks that require the frequent use of ladders and involve significant climbing effort must be accomplished by workers capable of the physical exertion required under these conditions. Falls result from a number of unsafe acts and conditions, but the top are: number 1, ladders being set up on unstable surfaces. Number 2, personnel reaching too far out of the sides. And number 3, personnel standing too high to maintain balance. As a health and safety practitioner, you need to know portable ladders must meet the design and construction specifications of OSHA 29 CFR 1910.25 for wooden ladders and 29 CFR for metal ladders. I'll repeat again. OSHA standard 29 CFR 1910.25 for wooden ladders and 29 CFR 1910.26.25 for wooden ladders and 0.26 for metal ladders. Portable ladders constructed of reinforced plastic must meet the specifications of ANSI A14.5. So these are the three standards: 1910.25 for wooden ladders, 1910.26 for metal ladders, these are from OSHA, and for reinforced plastic ladders there is the standard from ANSI A14.5. The maximum allowable lengths of portable ladders are: step ladders 8 feet, platform step ladders 12 feet, straight ladders 20 feet, and extension ladders 36 feet with minimum overlap of 3 feet. So these are the specifications. These are the recommendations as a health and safety practitioner. You keep in your mind. You can write down somewhere near your desk. If someone asks if you are going to write a report, you must know on what basis you are recommending. You are providing guidance for the safety of ladders, how to use the ladders safely at work. Now, let us look what are the guidelines for wooden ladders. But, dear health and safety practitioners, wooden parts used in the construction of ladders should have a straight grain and should be thoroughly seasoned, smoothly dressed, and free of sharp edges, splinters, checks, decay, and other defects. Key points you need to memorize. This is the requirement for a wooden ladder. Rungs must be parallel, level, and uniformly spaced, no more than 12 inches. Wooden ladders should be coated with a suitable protective coating such as boiled linseed oil, clear varnish, or clear liquor. Wooden ladders should not be painted with an opaque coating. As possible, defects may be covered up. You will not identify the damage. Portable ladders should be equipped with non-slip bases such as safety feet or spikes, depending on the type of use, the nature of the activity. These are the basic and immediate requirements as per the guidelines from OSHA, Standard for Ladder Safety. Another important question: how to use ladders near electrical equipment or electrical power lines. Personnel should not use portable metal ladders when performing work on or near electrical equipment. The side rails of metal ladders should be stenciled in red letters 2 inches high, smaller if necessary, to fit on the side rails. Danger: don't use around electrical equipment. This is one of the safety requirement, but unfortunately, mostly when we are at site, there is no tag and we are not stopping the work. We are allowing people to work wherever they are doing something. Wood or reinforced plastic ladders should be used for work on or near electrical equipment because these ladders are insulated. They should be kept clean with regular removal of all surface buildup of dirt, grease, or oils to avoid creating a ready path for an electrical current. But in any case, you will not use metal ladders near electrical services or electrical equipment. Let us discuss now how to care, how to maintain ladders on site. Number one, make a routine, a habit of maintaining ladders in good, workable, or usable condition. Number two, inspect ladders prior to each use. Number three, ladders with defects that cannot be repaired immediately should be removed from service for repair or destruction and tagged with a danger tag. Should not be used for any 1-minute task even. Number 4, replace frayed or badly worn rope. Number 5, keep safety feet and other parts in good condition to ensure they work properly and handle ladders with care. Number 6, don't drop, jar or misuse ladders. Number 7, store ladders in a manner that will provide easy access for inspection, permit safe withdrawal for use and prevent sagging. Number 8, don't store them in a manner that presents a tripping hazard or where they can fall on someone. Number 9. Lubricate metal bearings of locks, wheels, pulleys, etc. as required to keep them working. Number 9. Don't attempt to straighten or use a bent ladder made of reinforced plastic. Number 11. Apply skid resistant materials to rungs or steps on metal ladders that are not corrugated, knurled, or dimpled. These are the 11 basic safety care for using ladders. But what is the proper use of ladder? How we can avoid damage, defects, incidents, or accidents? Point number 1. When using portable, non-self-supporting ladders, be sure the pitch at the base of the ladder meets the 1/4 working length of the ladder rule, 1:4 angle or 75-degree angle. Point number 2. Position the ladder to prevent slipping or have someone manually hold it in position. Number 3. Don't allow more than one person to use a ladder at a time. Number 4. Place portable ladders so the side rails have a secure footing. Number 5. Be sure the top rest for portable rung and cleat ladders is responsibly rigid and has adequate strength to support the applied load. Number 6. Don't place ladders in front of doors opening toward the ladder unless the door is blocked, open, locked, or guarded. Point number 7. Don't place ladders on boxes, barrels, or other unstable bases to obtain additional height. These are only 7 points. But if you will apply on your work site, when you are using a ladder, you can avoid 90% of workplace incidents caused by ladders. As I told you in the intro, now I'll discuss 19 golden rules for ladder safety. I wish and hope that you will apply in your workplace. You will use these points as a checklist. When you are on site, you are inspecting ladders, you need to go through all these points because this will be your professional effort and your dedicated effort towards safety may prevent a workplace accident. In other words, you can save a life. So very important and key points. Number 1, be sure portable ladders have non-slip bases. Number 2, visually inspect ladders before each use. Number 3, inspect all ladders every 3 months. Even these ladders are in the store or in the yard and nobody is using. As a health and safety practitioner, this is the requirement. You need to make inspection every 3 months. Number 4, maintain ladder inspection records. Point number 5, remove damaged or unsafe ladders from service. Number 6, identify defective ladders with a tag, dangerous, don't use. Point number 7, never use a ladder as a horizontal surface for runways or scaffolding. Point number 8, never place a ladder in front of a door unless the door is locked, blocked, or guarded. Point number 9, never lean a ladder against unsecured backing such as loose boxes or against a window. Point number 10, don't place ladders near electrical wiring, piping, or sprinkler systems. Point number 11, mark metal ladders with the notice, caution, don't use near electrical equipment. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today we are discussing about ladder safety, specifications, recommendations, and guidelines as per the OSHA standards and the standards from ANSI. Ladder safety, golden rule number 12. Keep ladder rungs, cleats and steps parallel, level and uniformly spaced. Point number 13. Be sure the spacing of rungs of an extension ladder is not less than 6 inches or more than 12 inches. Point number 14. Never apply an opaque coating to wooden ladders. Number 15. Be sure the ladder can extend at least 3 feet above the point of support, eave, gutter or roof line. Point number 16. Always raise extension ladders so the upper section overlaps and rests on the bottom. Point number 17. Never stand higher than the third rung or step from the top of the ladder. It means minimum 1 meter or 3 rungs should be above the landing platform. You should not stand on the top because you will fall within no time. Point number 18. Don't attempt to reach beyond a normal arm's length while on a ladder. In simpler words, avoid overreaching. And the last point, point number 19. All instructions and guidelines towards ladder safety are only useful when the ladder user or the supervisory staff they will apply them at work during daily operations. My dear friends, never forget that your safety is your own responsibility. Work safe, think, act, and proceed safely. For now, that's all. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.